I'm making this video as an apology for the same reasons as before, for failing to support someone who was feeling suicidal. There was a time where I was talking to someone who was suicidal, and daily the suicide risk kept on escalating. There was a post where they said they were gonna commit suicide, and that was the last post I sent to them. And then during the course of the weeks, I haven't heard from them, but the account could have still been active. And I contemplated checking up on them, but I refused to, and I kept on making excuses for myself. And then after 3 weeks, I decided to check up on them, and then saw that their account was no longer active. I don't know if they committed suicide, but I regret not checking up on them earlier,